Hi, I'm Brandy Aguilar. It's Friday, April 17th, 2009. In this week's Beaker Beat, Roche starts to flex its muscle on Genentech's campus. A Seattle-based cancer company shakes up Wall Street. And Viagra boxer shorts? Well, we'll explain what the fuss is all about. That's all coming up in this week's edition of Beaker Beat. While Roche's acquisition of Genentech may have taken a lot longer than most had expected, when it comes to integrating the two companies, things are moving a lot faster. The Swiss drug maker announced that some new faces will be running the show in South San Francisco. Pascal Soriot will be appointed as the new Genentech CEO May 1st. He replaces the longtime CEO Arthur Levinson of the biotech company. Also on the way out is Susan Desmond-Hellmann, the head of product development at Genentech. While both have been offered advisory positions at Roche, these moves clearly signal a departure from the team that led Genentech to prominence in the past. The CEO of Roche Pharma talked about some of the staff changes on CNBC earlier this week.
So Pascal Soriot is the incoming Chief Executive Officer and the head of the commercial operation in the United States. Pascal is a trained veterinary surgeon and with an MBA, many long years experience in the pharma sector, has been a chief operating officer in the United States, knows that marketplace well, and he will be the integration lead along with Art in making sure that we bring together the best of the talents across North America for what will be the world's largest biotech company.
Now remember, Roche's promise was to allow Genentech to be Genentech once the merger was done. Time will only tell how effectively they retain the talent that they acquired. And two of the world's biggest pharmaceutical companies partnered up to create a new organization this week. GlaxoSmithKline and Pfizer agreed to split out and combine their existing HIV assets, a total of 11 marketed products and another 6 in development. The new company, which is not named yet, is mostly driven by Glaxo, who invested most of the money and owns 85% of the equity. Still, this new organization falls a little short when it comes to Gilead Sciences, who dominates the existing HIV market. This is an innovative deal and will re-energize Glaxo's presence in HIV treatments, said GSK CEO Andrew Whitty. In the end, this pooling of resources is a way to repackage their HIV-related assets for better value and potential sale. A new vaccine for prostate cancer could be one step closer to the market. Dendreon, the makers of Provenge, say the experimental vaccine significantly prolongs the survival in men with prostate cancer. A new study involving more than 500 men with the advanced stages of the disease showed that the overall survival rate was better for those on the treatment compared to a placebo. The vaccine aims to treat cancer by training the immune system to attack cancer cells. In 2007, an FDA advisory panel recommended that the agency approve Provenge, but the FDA wanted more information. Now the upcoming results hold great promise for Dendreon. CEO Dr. Mitchell Gold says, "We believe this is truly a breakthrough for the prostate cancer community and a testament to the promise of the field of cancer immunotherapies." The big news also sent shares in the Seattle biotech company through the roof. In trading on Tuesday, Dendreon shares shot up 132% to close at $16.99. The company plans to submit the study's results to the FDA in the fourth quarter, which then gives the agency 6 months to review the material. More than 1,700 CEOs and senior executives gathered at the 6th Annual World Healthcare Congress in Washington, D.C. The 3-day summit is a discussion of the must-know topics from some of the biggest leaders in the healthcare industry. This year's agenda featured a list of 175 presenters that included keynote speaker Novartis CEO Dan Vasella to Amgen, GE Healthcare, and Abbott and McKesson. Popular topics range from the health reform under the Obama administration to how best to cut costs and improve care in today's economy. And some family physicians in Ireland got quite a surprise when they opened a gift from the makers of Viagra. To celebrate the 10th anniversary of the little blue pill, an enthusiastic employee from Pfizer Ireland thought it would be nice to send out pairs of boxer shorts with the company logo. Well, apparently that didn't sit well with Pfizer. They have now launched an internal investigation into the matter. According to the Irish Times newspaper, the company issued a written apology to the physicians and are giving them the opportunity to send the items back free of charge. With all the buzz about the marketing mishap this week, we're guessing the boxers might be a hot ticket on eBay. If Beaker's able to fetch a pair, we'll let you know. And remember to keep on top of all the latest news at Beaker, join our LinkedIn group or follow us on Twitter at username Chief Beaker. That's going to do it for this week. See you next Friday. I'm Brandy Aguilar with Beaker Beat.